We are with one of our favorite patients. Debbie is 24 hours after having combination procedures. So yesterday at this time we performed a facelift, upper and lower eyelids, chin implant, cheek implants, and an aggressive full face laser. So that's a lot of surgery, but she's done tremendous. And how do you feel today?
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm up having coffee, got dressed, walked in drinking coffee with a spoon. And at the moment, I'm not in any pain at all. I'm really happy with my skin, though. I didn't think it was going to look like this so soon. Or I thought it was going to look worse than it does.
Well, it'll look better, trust me. So this is kind of the average swelling that we get. She has some early bruising, and of course she's very swollen, and her eyes are very swollen, but we're really proud of her, and she followed all the directions and is taking all the medicines correctly, and there's a lot of variability between patients after surgery, and this is how we want to see them, especially when we do this many procedures. So she's going to heal great. Her neck is tighter than it was when she was in 7th grade, and everything is going to be great. So
it really is. Good doctor, that's what it is, good doctor.
I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and here's our 24-hour surgery patient from upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implants, facelift, and full face laser. Hi, Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and here we are with Deborah. We talked to her the next day after her surgery, and here we are 6 days later. We did upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implant, facelift and neck lift, and full face CO2 laser. So that's a lot of surgery, and she's looking pretty good for 6 days. How are we feeling here?
I'm feeling pretty good, actually. I'm probably doing more than I should be doing, but right now the only problem I'm having is the swelling, of course, and my face feels warm all the time. But other than that, I feel great, and I can see what the results are going to end up being like. So I'm very excited, very excited.
Very good. She's being gracious because, you know, this is we did a lot of surgery. I mean, you think about it, upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implant, face and neck lift, and full face laser. And the laser adds a whole other layer of recovery, but that's like painting the car. And, you know, for 6 days, you're doing tremendous. And pretty soon we'll be showing you off. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Hi, Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com. We're back with one of our favorite patients. Now, today is exactly 2 weeks after doing a comprehensive face and neck lift, upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implant, and full face laser. So she's come a long way. You can remember she was a little beat up in the 24-hour video, but things are going well. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
All right.
Feeling really good.
All right. She scratched herself here a little bit on these incisions, but
he had done such a good job.
she's out of the house and she can wear makeup, and this is usually when people are able to, by now, get back into public, and of course she doesn't have her makeup on for this video, but she's well on her way. In another couple of weeks and nobody will know. Thank you.
Yes, I'm excited.
Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu. We're back here with Debbie. So we've been following her for 3 weeks now, and if you remember, we did upper lids, lower lids, cheek implants, chin implants, facelift, and full face laser. So we pretty much laid it on her there. How we getting along?
We're doing pretty good. I'm out of pain, eating whatever I want, doing whatever I want, probably a little too much, but yeah, we're doing good.
All right, she's looking pretty good. You can see that you can still see, turn your head sideways, you can still see her scars here, but they're healing well. She's doing real well for 3 weeks, and so she is getting there. The eyelid incisions look a little rough, but that always looks that way, and those will look perfect in a couple weeks. So we're really proud of you, and thanks for helping.
You.
Hey, this is Dr. Joe Niamtu, and here we are with our friend Deborah. Now, we are at 8 weeks, and usually we don't do our final pictures for 12 weeks, but she's just doing so well. We'll go ahead and complete this video today. So we sat in this chair at 24 hours and at 1 week and 2 weeks, and here we are at 2 months. What do you think?
I'm very pleased. I'm more than pleased. He just showed me my before pictures, and I guess I had forgotten what I looked like, because the difference is absolutely incredible. I couldn't be any more pleased.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, I would definitely do it again.
If I asked you the day after, you might not have.
I don't know. I wasn't too bad.
You know, every doctor wants to have a home run and a great result, and that's what we have here. And I'm so tickled. Not only is the surgery gone well, but we've got just a tremendous patient who's been very patient. So when you do multiple cosmetic surgery procedures like Deborah had, we did facelift, upper lids, lower lids, laser, cheek implants, and chin implants. And there's a lot of surgery to do at one time, and the recovery is a bit of a challenge. But when you look at her after pictures, I think you'll agree it was well worth it. This is Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com.